is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Look, today I'm de-ricing my car today. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm starting from easiest to most time consuming shit to do to the car. Look guys, I bought these carbon mirror caps from Keys Motorsports. The fitment was never good, so this is actually funny. Just like that, these are off. These are definitely going to need some paint correction. They've been sitting in a shelf full of parts for a while now, but much better. Now, a lot of you are probably watching this and you're thinking, well, I have carbon mirror caps on my car. Does that make it rice? I actually don't think that these are a ricey item to put on your car, but I'm so weird. I just like changing things all the time, and why not rock OEM for a little bit? Now it's time to lift this thing up, get rid of this. I mean, this is a great front lip. I don't want to call it rice. I really love this lip, but guys, it's so freaking cooked. Look how low to the ground it is. Holy fuck, this thing is so fucking fucked. Nice. Nice. Oh my God, look at all the rocks and shit behind here. I haven't seen that part of my bumper in over 3 years. Nice. Now I'm thinking my new lip and leave those off with the new lip whenever it gets here. I don't think this is gonna be a bad look. In fact, I think you could rock this look with no front lip if you didn't have those big side skirts, which I love. So I'm not taking those off. There we go. I knew I just needed to get my hand under there. As I said, it's been so long since I've seen the front of my car look like that. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of dig it. I'm not putting those back on. I hate that. I don't know why. My ADD just has a phobia. Now to my least favorite part to do, obviously because it's a pain, is to change the trunk out. All right, now we're really about to see what this thing looks like in the light with no front carbon bits at all. New wheels come, which they're gonna take a while, but whenever the new wheels come, this look is gonna be sick. But this whole look with the wing is like, that's diabolical. If you're gonna have a wing on your car, you gotta have some insane front aero, like even more than I did. I know some people disagree with what I've done to my cars in the past, but like seeing it kind of bare bones in the front, I can like tell myself truthfully that I do like the more wild and the more carbon bit look than I do the bare look. I know that now. So the new front splitter will help a lot. But I like the way I do my cars, and some people don't, but that's what makes it fun. It's my car, you know. I can do what I want to it. You know what time it is? You know what time it is? Alright guys, so if you're doing this alone, I found a simple, foolproof way that you can do this without damaging your car. Pretty much, it's stupid, but get a big blanket, cover up the whole back glass, the roof of the car, get some pillows, preferably your roommates or your guests' room pillows, and then put them on the back windscreen, and there you go. You don't want anything hitting your quarter panel. Definitely not your back glass. Took about 10 minutes to do. It's honestly not that bad. You can see this gap over here is a lot bigger, but really not that bad. That's a good starting place. Not terrible. All right, guys, so the trunk is officially wingless. I hope you guys love it. I do have another mod that did just come in the mail, actually. So I will show you guys that whenever I get it. You know, I gotta get everything cleaned up. Let me know. Should this join the wall of shame with all my other broken lips, or is this one just, like, this one lasted a really long time. I don't think I should do it that dirty. I think I should just let it die. I don't know, I'm gonna decide. Wow, that thing is... I'm so stupid, I just realized that I didn't align the trunk before I put on the trunk liner. I'm not even about to do all that right now. I'll do it tomorrow. There's something about the end of this car with nothing on it that just looks so good. I better not get a bunch of comments that I should have kept the wing on, which now that I just said that, I'm sure that's what's going to happen. I know I said at first, I don't know if I like this look. I was like, I don't know if I like it, but that's because it had the wing on it. The wing on the back with this front looks so whack, but this front with nothing on the back, that looks fire, dude. For sure, a lip, nothing crazy, and I'm not putting those, I don't know what to call them, lower bumper covers. I'm not putting those back on. It's like canard. I don't fucking know. Anyways, I really happen to like this look. Very clean, very simple. It does need a front lip though. That just, you know, that's the vibe. I mean, you got the carbon side skirts, you got the huge rear diffuser. All right, I'll give you guys one hint at the mod that I'm about to install. You don't need an install video for this one. It's super duper easy. My one hint is this right here. That's your hint. I told you this one's super simple, but I feel it's super necessary for the clean look. Not fitted all the way in yet, but I&D color matching. Always solid from I&D. All right, so I'm completely done for the day. The car is now super clean and it looks so good. Whenever I get that new lip, that'll be the chef's kiss. Plus the new mystery wheels that you guys don't know about yet. What will they be? I don't know. You'll see whenever I get them. It's gonna be a while, I'll just let you know, but you'll see whenever I get them. They're gonna be the chef's kiss. But look how good the back end of this car looks, completely bare. Like, okay, so the I&D little reflectors that are now color match, I used to not like them because I thought the red actually kind of showed that there was more detail to the rear bumper. But now that I have these on there for the maximum clean look, I think that I was completely wrong and I actually love the way that they look. I'm probably going to do a new paint correction and ceramic coat on the car tomorrow. So you guys can let me know if that's something you want to see me do. Let me know in the comments below. But for right now, I'm officially done fixing my riced out F80. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.